On our satellite, you'll see cloud covering almost all of Central Africa, with a number of thundershowers occurring within that. And although we've seen a decrease in thunderstorm activity along the West African coastline, you'll still see thundershowers extending along the coast from southwestern Ghana all the way through to Guinea, and then partly cloudy conditions extending through to Senegal. Sunny and dry weather continues over southern Africa, with a large band of fog extending along the west coast, and you'll also see low cloud pushing in over the southeastern part of the subcontinent. Our futurecast then takes us through a 24-hour period and shows you where you can expect that cloud and rainfall on Wednesday, with thundershowers bringing in a moderate amount of rainfall over the DRC, as well as parts of South Sudan, the Central African Republic and the northern part of Congo. Now here's a look at your weather forecast across the continent on Wednesday, where we can expect partly cloudy weather for Windhoek at 33 degrees. Gaborone and Lilongwe match their daytime high with a sunny forecast. Warm for Johannesburg at 28 with isolated thundershowers, and Cape Town and Maputo can expect a partly cloudy day with maximums in the mid-20s. Overcast with thundershowers for Libreville and Kinshasa. Abidjan and Bamako remain dry at 29 and 37 degrees, with Lagos and Conakry expecting a high of 30 degrees with the possibility of thundershowers. We head into the mid-20s from Algiers all the way through to Tripoli, with Algiers expecting a few showers on Wednesday, mostly cloudy and dry for Casablanca with a maximum temperature of 31. We're expecting a bit of cloud for Djibouti with a maximum of 32, just shy of 40 for Khartoum, and a sunny forecast for Addis Ababa at 22 degrees. Things remain dry in Mogadishu with a maximum of 29. Light rain is expected in Dar es Salaam at 31, with thundershowers for Kampala at 25 degrees. We're expecting a maximum temperature of 29 degrees for Antananarivo, Mauritius and the Seychelles on Wednesday, with Mauritius remaining dry and Antananarivo and the Seychelles both expecting showers. Here's a look at our extended forecast, which takes us into the second part of the work week, where we can expect some light rain for Abuja and a high of around 30 degrees. Accra partly cloudy and dry on Thursday at 30, and sunny conditions continue for Addis Ababa with maximums in the low 20s. Cape Town can expect morning drizzle on Thursday with a high of 24 and a sunny end to the work week at 27. Dakar 32 and 30 degrees, with Dar es Salaam expecting light rain and a high of around 30. Harare also at around 30 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. Gaborone can expect thundershowers on Thursday at 32, and Johannesburg remains in the upper 20s, all with the possibility of thundershowers. Sunny and hot for Lusaka with a high of 26 degrees for Maputo, and that cloud building up into Friday. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Billions of dollars of potential investment under one roof. At the Global African Investment Summit in London, the presidents of Rwanda, Ghana, Uganda and Tanzania helped delegations present bankable investment opportunities to the UK's financial community. And there's a promise of real returns.
Consumption in Africa is going up. We are 1 billion people, the whole of Africa. Our part is more than 500 million. So these are consumers. The middle class in Uganda is now 37% of the population, and it is growing. So that's one side of business. If you are a business person, you need somebody to buy from you.
Africa's rapid economic development is attractive, but there are a number of concerns investors still have.
Clearly there are opportunities, clearly there's a big wish list, but it's the reality of making those particular schemes go through. And at the bottom line, it's, well, are we going to get a sensible return for our investment, and is it secure putting that money in there? So a big thing is about ethics. The recent Ebola makes people uncomfortable as well.
South Africa, however, has played a pivotal role in reducing those concerns.
South Africa for a very long time has been a very stable base for investors to go into and start within Africa, and then they can use that as a bridge into the rest of Africa, as lots of other companies have done.
While the summit acknowledges the challenges when it comes to investing in Africa, the forum believes that the continent is still one of the best places for investors to put their money. with a range of opportunities being promoted here across several sectors. Natalie Powell, London.